Good morning everyone, welcome to PBW channel. How are you today? Very good. Hello, I'm teacher Ellie. I'm teaching in math in Pratom 2. So for today's video, we will learn about the volume measurement and also the tools that we are going to use. So, do you think what is a volume? Later we will discuss about that. So, Lesson 1 to 3 Volume Measuring Tools and Standard Unit of Volume Measurement. So, according from this one, we will learn about the two of it. So, are you ready to learn? Very good, nice to hear that. So, first we have measuring tools. There are various standard volume measuring tools, including the pail, liter, measuring jug, and the other measuring tools. Aside from it, we have another one that we are going to use: teaspoon, coffee cups, soup ladder, bucket, wooden bowl, and water dipper. So aside of this one, we have measuring liters. Two kinds of it: measuring the volume of dry goods and measuring the volume of liquid goods. When we measure dry goods such as soybeans, fill the measured with the excess, and the measuring liquid goods, do not fill the measured fully with the measured of the making of the measure, leaving some space on the top. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to learn about recognize the different units of measurement for volume and capacity, and number 2, appreciate the knowledge of the measurement. So metric, capacity, volume is there's two most common measurement for capacity. They have millimeters and liters. So milliliters is something like a very small amount of liquid. It doesn't even fill the teaspoon. All you need to do just a little bit of objects or the liquid to prevent the fulfill. For example, 20 drops of water makes about 1 milliliter. Can you do it at your home? You just try it. 20 drops of water make about 1 milliliter. Very good. I hope you can try. A teaspoon can hold about 5. A teaspoon of liquids is about 5 milliliters. That's why I said earlier, metrics milliliters are often written as ml. 150 ml means 150 milliliters. So now let's talk about liters. Liters is, for example, is a put all together, or 1000 ml is equivalent of 1 liter. In short, they can use L. They can use to measure the milk, the soda, and another drinks are often sold in liters. For example, the metric capacity, other examples such as milliliters, about the size of grapes, the fifth of the teaspoon, and also the liter is about the quantity and exports of drink bottle, water, soft drinks, juice, and every close to volume of kilograms. Now I have here a short video clips about the liters and milliliters, and aside from the measuring tools that we talked about. So I hope you really understand of it. Shall we start to watch it? Okay, let's proceed.
Let's learn about liters and milliliters with Miss Julie. Good morning, children. Today, first, let's revise capacity. Look, I have a bottle filled with water and an empty jar. Let's pour this water in the jar. Look, the water started overflowing and fell out of the jar. Hence, we can say that the capacity of the bottle is more than the jar. That is, the bottle can hold more water than the jar. The amount of liquid a container can hold is called its capacity. Here, the amount of water that the jar is holding is called the capacity of the jar. Liter is the standard unit for measuring capacity. We measure the capacity of a container in liters and milliliters. A liter is represented like this. A milliliter is represented like this. Liter is the bigger unit and milliliter is the smaller unit of capacity. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. To change liter to milliliter, we multiply liter by 1000. Let's see how. Let's convert 2 liters into milliliters. So, here 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000 milliliters. Thus, we get 2 liters is equal to 2000 milliliters. Let's try one more example. Let's convert 69 liters into milliliters. So, here 69 into 1000 is equal to 69,000 milliliters. Thus, we get 69 liters is equal to 69,000 milliliters. There are certain standard measures used to measure the capacity of a liquid. They are approved by the government. 50 milliliters, 100 milliliters, 200 milliliters, 500 milliliters, 1 liter, 2 liters, 5 liters, and 10 liters. Certain liquids in markets are sold in liters and milliliters. Let's have a look at few such examples. 1. Cold drinks are sold in bottles that can hold 200 milliliters, 500 milliliters, and 1 liter. 2. We have seen cooking oil getting sold in pouches that can hold half a liter or 1 liter. The big cans can hold 5, 10, 20 liters of oil. 3. There are certain medicines like cough syrups and eye drops which are sold in small bottles that can hold liquid in milliliters. Remember kids, every liquid is generally measured in liters and milliliters. So, wasn't it fun today, learning something new?
So now we are ended to watch the video. I hope you really understand of it. So it's all about the liters and milliliters to identify which is one of the measurement that we're going to use. So any question? Very good. So now let's proceed to our activity. In your Math in Action workbook, look at the page 115. Answer the following question to really understand the topic. In page 116 and 117, answer activity 1 and answer activity 2 to think that you are really understand the topic. And that's it for today. Our video is ended. So I hope you really enjoy it. From Teacher Ellie. See you again next time, and stay safe. Goodbye.